Welcome. If you're tired of getting notifications every time one of your contacts joins X, formerly known as Twitter, you're not alone. These alerts can be distracting and unnecessary, especially if you want to keep your notification feed clean and focused. Today, I'll show you exactly how to prevent those contact joins X notifications on your PC using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open X in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the left-hand side and find the More icon. It usually looks like 3 dots in a circle. Click on it, and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you into the main settings area, where you can customize a variety of options for your account. Next, find and click on Notifications. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see several options. What we're looking for is Preferences. Click on Preferences to continue. Now, you'll see a section called Push Notifications. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll find a list of all the types of push notifications X can send you. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Contact Joins X. By default, this box might be checked, which means you're currently receiving those notifications. To stop these alerts, simply uncheck the box next to Contact Joins X. Once you've done that, you won't receive notifications when someone from your contacts joins the platform. That's it. Your settings are automatically saved, and you can exit out of the menus. Taking a minute to adjust this setting can make your experience on X much more peaceful, letting you focus on the updates and conversations that matter most to you. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out more tips on customizing your X notifications and making your social media experience your own. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter timeline.